Dear fellow team leaders and architects, do you want to learn how you can achieve more with your current team? You need to do the next 3 steps in order to get most out of your team, and those 3 steps, if you're not following, you're not utilizing the maximum output from your team. You need a system in place in order to make sure your company grows sustainably. If you don't have those best practices and systems in place, what will happen is that you will be fighting along the way and you will be having a lot of troubles when you're scaling and your projects will not be consistent quality. Let me introduce you to the next 3 things in order to take what you have right now to the next level. Number 1 is knowledge base, and knowledge base is one of the best things you can ever make for your company, because if you explain one thing once, you don't have to explain that again to anyone else, because you put all that information into your knowledge base and distribute that knowledge to the entire company, and it becomes a database. They can find any information whenever they need, whenever they want, and that is the key to the goal. You won't waste time as you grow your company, and this is also the way to keep entire knowledge within your company, because people might come and go, but your knowledge will stay. Number 2 is getting most out of your tools. So if you're using Revit, if you're using ArchiCAD, if you're using certain tools, how to get most out of them. You're already paying a lot for the subscription, you're already invested a lot, but how can you utilize those to the maximum potential output so you don't waste time but focus on getting production and increase revenue? These things could be centralized libraries, templating, automating your workflows, having customized automations like plugins, Dynamo scripts, or similar tools where you can automate certain workflows, and most importantly, teaching the best practices to your team. Well, number 3 is productivity tools. Here what I mentioned is AI automation, so you can introduce for your concept design like Midjourney, or for automation and design disciplines, or architectures where you can do space planning and space automations. And there are many other tools that are actually very affordable and brings a lot of productivity to the table. And this is where we are specialized in. We check all the newest tools, all the new AI tools for architects, all the new AI tools for the industry, all the different BIM tools, all the different CAD tools, any tools from collaboration to communication, from modeling to drafting, anything that will enhance your workflow, all the plugins for the tools that you're using, how we can speed up certain things. So this is where we are specialized in. So you don't have to waste time. You can just coordinate with us. We can help you to get there where you want, and make sure your pain point disappear as soon as possible, so you can make sure there are more productivity involved and you can get more return on your investment. If you would like to learn more about this, click on the link below and schedule a meeting with us where our team can meet you and show you how can we help right away. Since you stayed until the end with me, I would like to share you a bonus tip. And this is sharing is caring. Whenever you introduce a lot of information to your colleagues, they can find the right information whenever they need. They don't have to run behind or have a hassle or troubles on not knowing what to do next or how to follow up certain procedures. When you share all this information, they start caring more, and they will be sharing back with the fellow colleagues and try to distribute that knowledge throughout the entire company. And this is a key thing to grow companies efficiently and sustainably. Comment below if you have any of these issues or different ideas and feedback so we can discuss in detail. If this video brought you any value, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel, because we have a lot of value added content which can help you even more in our channel.